beautiful day. Oh, hey guys. I'm Shay. How are you guys doing today? We, my friends, are going to learn about nature. Now, who's ready? I am. Let's go, guys. Ah, gorgeous. Let's go. Hi guys, this tree right here, oh, gorgeous. Now you can see that a lot of it's dead because of something called the bark beetle. The bark beetle will invade it on the inside and basically rot it out from the inside out. But we still have some of the beautiful little green patches here. This is called a cypress. Now with a cypress, they usually have little bunches right here instead of pine needles. If you zoom up on one of these, they're just absolutely gorgeous. Now let's move on. Come on, guys. Let's join our nature walk. Oh, perfect. A field. You just want to get down and roll in it. Oh, amazing. Let's do it all. Here we go. Oh. Sitting in a field is like being in Mother Nature's lap. And when you're in Mother Nature's lap, you just want to say, thank you. Thank you for giving me the birth of being in your presence. Thank you.
What the heck? I can't find them.
Gloria. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. Don't worry about that. Let's head on our nature walk. Here we go. Oh, cars. They just make me so disgusted because of the fumes coming out of their asses. They make me feel like they're the ones polluting this earth, and I can't live on a peaceful earth. Talk to the left, because you ain't right. Oh, the gazebo. This is where you can reflect on your feelings and truly feel in zen with nature. Let's meditate, shall we? Alright, that should work. Oh, I love it. It makes me feel so in zen. Let's move on, guys. Hey guys, join me. Oh, hey guys, I missed you. I swear, being in nature is exhausting.
Hell. Hey, dude, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I hate this job. Oh, anyways, guys, let's go. Come on. Hey, Chris. Oh man, guys, what an exhilarating day. My heart is beating. Oh, God.
Dude, you okay?
No!
Holy. Oh my. Hey, are you in here?
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna ruin my video.
No.
What's wrong with you?
I'm just looking at pictures of nature. Please comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Nature Boy.